Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to the shop once again here at New Traditions Dulcimers and Wabash Ukulele Company. My name is Dan Daniels and this is going to be part 2 of a video series that I'm doing on the repair of this incredible Guild D44M. This is built in the year of 1972. It's an amazing maple back and sides, which is the M after the D44. The D44 was also made out of pear wood, and that instrument didn't have the M after the D44. So this is the maple version of that guitar. Amazing wood. Maple back and sides with an incredible spruce top. The problem with this guitar is the top has bowed. It's got belly bow in it. So the task that I have as a repairman is to take care of that belly bow, which will take care of the action. It should lower the action, and I'm about to show you why it will lower the action. One of the first steps we're going to do is introduce humidity into the guitar, and I'll just use one of these simple Kaiser humidifiers. I don't know if you can see that or not, or even if you want to see it, but it just goes into the sound hole. I'll get that good and wet. I will protect the Guild label to make sure that doesn't get wet. This is a beautiful guitar. I can't take my eyes off of it. We'll introduce humidity into the guitar for about a week. I'll leave it in its case, and I'm actually going to leave it out here in the shop. I usually take stuff in from the shop because it is humid out here, but that's what I want. So we want the humidity, so that will kind of relax the tension on the top, and then we'll go to our procedures. But I'm going to change the camera angle around a little bit here and show you how much the top has pulled up, and that will tell you how much the bridge has gone this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a quarter and a dime on each side, place them on the outside of the guitar, take my straight edge, lay it across, and with the middle of the straight edge touching the guitar top, you see how much it's raised the soundboard up. And this is what happens when I don't use the spacers. You see how much that soundboard rocks. Well, that soundboard is supposed to be flat, like this, and it's not supposed to be rocking and rolling like that. All right, so I did go ahead and measure the distance here, the height of this quarter and dime, and it is a full 1/8 inch. So that's a lot. This soundboard is really pulled up quite a bit. So we will take the bridge off after I've introduced humidity through this humidifier. Should be later this week, and we will go ahead and apply pressure to the soundboard, heated pressure to the soundboard and the bridge plate, which is underneath the soundboard, flattening this surface, and then we'll put the bridge back on. We'll make sure that the bridge is flat on the underneath side. I know it's a lot to take in, but make sure the bridge is flat, glue it down, reclamp everything, and this belly bow should be totally gone. There you go. Enjoy your Sunday. Lord bless you guys.